Hello, my name is DJ Yusevich, and I want to welcome you to my poster for AGU 2020. Today we will be discussing the geochemistry and sulfate reduction results of the AT4219 research cruise off the coast of Santa Barbara, California. This cruise happened in November of 2019, which was just a year ago, although it feels like a decade ago, to be completely honest. On this cruise, we had the autonomous underwater vehicle Alvin, as well as the remote-operated vehicle Jason. We used Alvin primarily for photo surveys, as well as taking water column measurements, such as oxygen. We used Jason to collect sediment push cores, to deploy microprofilers, and to deploy our benthic flux chambers. This poster will focus on data gathered and subsequent insights gleaned from the push core and flux chamber experiments. We're primarily interested in studying the interplay between nitrogen and sulfur cycling within this basin, which becomes transiently deoxygenated and contains sulfur bacterial mats. We're interested in how the presence of these sulfur oxidizing bacteria affects sulfur cycling in the sediment below and nitrogen cycling in the water above. Sulfur oxidizing bacteria, if you're unfamiliar with them, have a metabolism that oxidizes sulfide to sulfate and then dumps those electrons onto primarily nitrate, but they can also use oxygen as their terminal electron acceptor. So to obtain the geochemistry results presented here, we used a variety of spectrophotometric techniques. Sulfur cycling was analyzed with 35S sulfate incubations. That's radioactive sulfate. It's pretty fun to play with radioactive materials safely, of course. And then we used a subsequent cold chromium distillation to analyze those results. Here we were presenting ammonium nitrate, iron and sulfate reduction results from push cores and benthic flux chambers, as well as a couple of phosphorus and nitrite results, NO2- from a few selected benthic flux chambers. I hope you all enjoy the poster, and you can follow along with my explanation of what we did on this research cruise. Thank you.